Hi everyone, I'm Purnima. I'm pursuing my MBA at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to present analysis of environmental data. Introduction to environmental statistics. Environmental statistics involves the applications of the statistical methods of environmental data. It plays a crucial role in understanding the environmental phenomena and trends. The goals is to inform the policy decision and promote sustainable practices. Definition of environmental statistics. Analysis of the environmental data refers to the application of the statistical methods to examine and interpret the data collected about the environmental such as air quality, water quality, soil condition and biodiversity to understand the trends, patterns and the potential impacts on the ecosystem, often used to inform environmental policy and decision making. Importance of environmental data analysis. First, policy development. It provides the evidence based on the information for the environmental regulation and the management plans. Sustainability assessment. It helps in identifying the areas of the environmental concern and tracks the progress towards the sustainability goals. Risk management. It allows for the protective identification and the mitigation of the environmental hazards. Scientific understanding. Contributions to a deeper knowledge of the ecosystem, uh, dynamics and the impacts of the human activities. Public awareness enables the a clear communication of the environmental issues to the stakeholders. Types of environmental data analysis. Time series analysis, examining how the environmental variable change over a time, identifying the trends and the seasonal variation. Species analysis, analyzing how the environmental variables vary across the geographical location using the techniques like mapping and geostatistics. Correlation analysis, identifying the relationship between the different environmental variable, accessing how the changes in one variable might affect the another. Regression analysis, predicting how one environmental variable changes based on the values on the other variable, allowing for the potential impact of the assessment. Multivariant analysis, analyzing the relationship between the environmental variable simultaneously, often using techniques like the principal components analysis to identify underlying the patterns. Ecological modeling, development mathematical model to stimulate the environmental process and predict the future condition based on the data analysis. Advantages of analyzing the environmental data. Understanding the environmental trends. By analyzing the data over a time, scientists can identify the changes in environmental condition and access the effectiveness of the mitigation efforts. Identifying the environmental impacts. Analyzing data can pinpoint the source of the population, potential environmental risk, and the effects of the human activities on the ecosystem. Monitoring and early warning system. Regular data analysis can help the detect early signs of the environmental degradation and the trigger necessary actions. Identifying the relationship and the correlations. Statistical methods can reveal the complex relationship between the different environmental variables, allowing for the holistic understanding of the environmental issues. Limitations of analyzing environmental data. First, data quality issues. Environmental data can be affected by sampling errors, measuring the inaccuracies, data gaps, and the inconsistency impacting the reliability of the analysis. species, and the temporal variability. Environmental condition can vary significantly across a different location and the time period, making it a challenging to draw the accurate conclusion from the limited data point. Complexity of the ecosystem. Environmental systems are often complex and interconnected, making it difficult to isolate the effects of the individual factors on the environment. Cost and the logistics. Collecting the environmental data can be the expensive and the logistically challenging, especially for the remote or and to reach areas. Mode of limitations. Statistical models used to analyze the environmental data may not fully capture the complexities of the real world environmental process, leading to the potential inaccuracies in the interpretations. Conclusion. Environmental analysis is a crucial process for understanding the various factors that affects the business. By examining both internal and external elements, companies can make the informed statistic decision response to the changing effectively and enhance their complexity advantages. Thank you.